Hello all my friends, it's Mrs. Green, and yes, we are in November and we are starting on week number 14. And today in our math journal, we're going to be doing page 11 and page 12. So the first page we're going to be talking about pi, my favorite. And the second page we're going to be talking about counting by tens. So let's get ready for this fun lesson. So here is our page number 11, and it is a word problem. So let's read this word problem together. There are 10 pieces of pie. Sally eats 6 pieces. How many pieces of pie are left? So now we need to think about the important parts of this word problem. And the first thing we need to do is circle the numbers that we're going to be using. So it says there are 10 pieces of pie. So I'm going to circle 10. And Sally eats 6 pieces. So those are the things, those are the numbers that we need to have circled so we know what we're dealing with. Now, we also need to underline what the question is that they actually want to know. They want to know how many pieces of pie are left. So, how many pieces of pie are left? We're going to underline. And now we have to find out, are we going to be putting things together, taking things apart? What action are we going to be doing? Let's read it again. There are 10 pieces of pie. Sally eats 6 pieces. How many pieces are left? So I think the most important thing is she's going to be eating them. And if you eat something, you're taking it away. So that is our action word. So now I'm going to move my book up here, and I'm going to get out some pies. And it says there's 10 pieces of pie. So let me see if I can arrange these so we can fit all 10 pieces on our movie here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's move this up just a little bit. All right, so here's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces of pie, right? Oh, that pie looks yummy. It looks like it's pumpkin pie or apple pie. I can't tell. But it says that there's 10 pieces, and Sally ate 6 of them. So if she eats them, that means we got to take them away because they're going to be gone. They're going to be in her tummy. So let's take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how many pieces of pie are left? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how we got our answer. Now let's just draw what I just did with the pictures. We need to make 10 pieces of pie. I'm just going to make 10 triangles because pie is kind of in a triangle shape. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 pieces, and Sally eats 6 of them, so we got to get rid of 6 because they're gone in her tummy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 are gone. And how many pieces are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to make that into a number sentence. So how many pieces of pie we started with? We started with 10. And then Sally ate 6 of them, so we took away 6 of them. So 10 minus 6 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. And our answer is 4. So 10 minus 6 equals 4. That is page 11. And now we're going to turn it and we're going to be going to page 12. And this one says color the pumpkins as you count by 10. And now before I even start doing that, I want to show you something called a hundreds chart. And this is what a hundreds chart looks like. It starts with the number 1 all right here, and it goes all the way up to the number 100 way down here. So, but what we're going to do is we're going to count by tens. So we're really looking at this column right here. All of these numbers are numbers that we are going to use when we count by tens to 100. So it goes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So, with that being our hundreds chart, now I'm going to look at my pumpkins. And we know that all the numbers that are in the tens column all have a 0 at the end. That's how we know they're part of that tens group. So, we're going to look at our pumpkins and color them as we count by tens. So, when we count by tens, we start with 10. So we go 10, then 20. Oh, so that one's ready. So we get to do 2 in a row. 10, 20, 26. No, we're not going to do that one. 10, 20, 30. Yeah, has a 0 at the end, right? See the 0? 38. No way. 40. Does it have a 0 at the end? It does. 10, 20, 30, 40. 50 has a 0 at the end. 53. No way. 57. No way. 60 has a 0 at the end. Let's see if we're right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. 70 has a 0. 80 has a 0. 90 has a 0. And the last one is 100. So I think we got them. Let's go back and double check. 10, 20, 30. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yay! We did it.